Forests are the living lungs of Earth, breathing out oxygen and drawing down the carbon that heats our world. Each tree shelters birds, animals, and insects that keep ecosystems balanced. Yet, every hour, flames and saws erase centuries of growth. To protect them, we must plant, protect, and protest. The rewards are breathtaking: clean air, pure water, a stable climate, fertile soil, and a refuge for countless species, including us. Act now. Stand tall like the trees themselves. Without forests, there is no future.